Peter Navarro, Donald Trump's trade advisor, has gone on a Twitter blitzkrieg against India on Russian oil purchases. Now, viewers, Navarro tried to explain that the Indian oil purchase with a series of tweets and blamed the continuity of the war on Indian-Russian oil purchases. These tweets that give a very simplistic explanation of Indian oil trade and also avoids the complexities of global trade and is a tailor-made to show that India is somehow responsible for the war that's going on in Ukraine. So these are the tweets which are visible on your screen as well. Remember, even before Peter Navarro blamed India for funding Putin's war machine and somehow also claimed that the war that's continuing in Ukraine is not Putin's war, it is Prime Minister Modi's war. This happened yesterday and now again he's gone on a Twitter blitzkrieg, putting tweets of one after the other, essentially blaming India for what's going on in Ukraine. Now here, he's taken a very simplistic view where he blames India, an Indian purchase of Russian oil as the reason for war, in fact, and simply avoids the complexities of global trade and how trading works between different countries. And it's also, a tailor-made approach to show that somehow India is responsible for the war that's continuing in Ukraine. This is the latest series of attacks that has come from the United States side against India. Remember, United States has also imposed 50% tariff on New Delhi, which they claim is because India is buying Russian oil. They say 25% is for the trade aspect of it and 25% is because India continues to buy Russian oil that's essentially fueling the war in Ukraine. And now we also have latest tweets coming in from Donald Trump's trade advisor, Peter Navarro, going all out on Twitter, putting one tweet after the other, blaming India for the war that's continuing in Ukraine, essentially ignoring how the history has been with regards to Ukraine, NATO and also United States, also ignoring the complexities of global trade and simply putting the blame on India for the war that's continuing in Eastern Europe, not taking responsibility for how the talks between President Trump and President Putin have been failing.